about to show y'all an animal, and I want y'all to tell me what animal you think it is, okay? First, I want you to think about it before you just shout out an answer, okay? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. I know, it's on the thing. Don't look at the words. Okay, I want you to turn and talk to your partner about what it is.
It's a tree frog.
Tree
It's
frog,
a
you can
red
talk
eye.
to
It's a red-eyed tree frog.
Red-eyed tree frog, yes. Okay, do y'all think that this animal, what do y'all think it is, Ariel?
A red-eyed tree frog.
Oh, very specific, I love that. So, do you think that this frog has always looked like this? Like, do you think that it has looked like this its entire life? Why don't y'all think it has looked like that? Okay, so
It looked like a metamorphosis.
okay,
It adapted to its environment.
okay, good job. So, what do you think, so a frog is going to go through something called a life cycle, right? It's going to go through many different phases of a life cycle. So what do you think the first stage of a frog's life cycle is? Eli?
Egg.
Good job, okay. And so how long do you think that it is in its first stage? Ariel?
A couple of probably like months.
Okay, good job. Okay, so I'm gonna lay out these 3 pictures that I so lovely drew. And I want you to write what order you think these happen in and what would be the name of that stage. Just thinking what the name of the stage would be. So you can get a piece of notebook paper right here and your pencil. And I'm gonna lay them out in a random order so they're not gonna be in the right order. But you just like so you can see. Y'all can stand up and look at them. Like what you think each stage is
That
called.
is in order.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Let's do some
No,
things
Eli,
here.
stop. Eli, stop. Eli, leave it down.
Where's the tadpole?
It's okay.
The tadpole. It is in order.
Write down what you think. We're not talking out loud. Not saying it out loud.
Eli.
And when you're done, flip it over. Okay, so now now you obviously know that we're talking about the life cycle of a frog, right? So where have you heard the word cycle before? I know that y'all talked about it with Miss Bearfield before. Harper.
When you recycle stuff.
Not that kind of recycle, so it's like cycle like
Oh, a life cycle, like say, an egg, a frog, no, a duck baby, a baby duck, then a duck.
yeah, so you heard that the word cycle when you talked about that. And then but it also has a Greek root to it. Do y'all remember talking about it with a Greek root?
CYC.
Good job. Okay, so now we're gonna watch a YouTube video and we are gonna watch it and we're gonna pause throughout to talk about it and each stage that it talks about. So it's gonna tell you all about the frog life cycle. Eli.
Today we'll learn about the frog life cycle. A life cycle refers to the changes or stages that an animal goes through while it's alive. See these frogs playing near the pond? A frog goes through 4 stages of life. It changes and grows at each stage. Let's have a look at each stage one by one.
Okay, so what do we think the first stage is? Looking at our cards right here. Ariel.
The egg.
The eggs. Good job. So let's learn about the egg stage.
Stage 1, egg. It's the first phase of the life cycle of a frog. A frog starts life as a fertilized egg. A female frog